Welcome back to Luxury Home Decor, where small spaces make big statements. Imagine stepping outside and being greeted by a living wall that mixes kale, scarlet runner beans, and marigolds. Vertical edible layering is one of 2025's hottest landscaping moves because it turns fences into flavor factories while saving square footage. Add a sprinkle of sparkle by lining the frame with budget-friendly solar discs. Their low-profile glow boosts curb appeal without touching your power bill. Lush lawns are giving way to climate-wise pollinator plots this year. Swapping a slice of turf for regionally native perennials like coneflower or milkweed invites butterflies and cuts watering in half, a shift flagged in multiple 2025 garden trend roundups. Think of it as designing a micro-wildlife corridor right where guests walk up, nature thrives, and you spend weekends relaxing instead of mowing. Layered spring bulbs keep color rolling from thaw to early summer. Berry daffodils deepest, tuck tulips midway, and top with crocuses for a triple-tier bloom show. Frame those bursts with compact evergreen shrubs, dwarf loropetalum or gardenia, so your front yard won't look bare once petals drop, yet remains fragrant in warm climates. tight budget, transform discarded shipping pallets into raised planters or even a narrow entry arbor. Their rustic slats add instant texture and cost almost nothing. Pair that thrift with a second-hand wrought iron bench. Vintage metal ages gracefully and often costs pennies at local markets, according to decor stylists tracking the upcycling boom. Instead of pouring a solid concrete walk, lay permeable pavers. The gaps sip stormwater, trim runoff fees, and let you tuck thyme or blue star creeper between stones for edible fragrance with every step. To keep things visually calm, echo 2 to 3 foliage hues. Say deep burgundy, silvery sage, and chartreuse, because color repetition guides the eye like punctuation marks. Texture counts as color too. Feather fine ornamental grasses such as miscanthus, morning light shimmer when backlit and shift to fiery copper in fall, stretching seasonal drama without demanding fertilizer. Combine their airy blades with broad-leafed hostas for contrast, and you've mastered the classic design rule of pairing opposites to create depth. Lighting transforms even postage stamp yards after dusk. 2025 reviews rank SolarStake and low-voltage LED pathlights neck and neck, but both share two perks: wire-free installs and warm white beams that highlight foliage instead of blinding guests. 4. Playful flair. Clip on a couple of $10 hummingbird solar ornaments. Their color-cycling wings add whimsical movement at eye level. Sustainability is the new luxury. Hook a decorative rain barrel to your downspout. Cedar-clad models blend with front yard aesthetics, and harvest enough water to keep containers thriving through dry spells, all while reducing urban flooding risk. Pair the barrel with the permeable paving from earlier, and you've created a mini watershed that pays you back every rainy day. Seating doesn't have to steal square footage. Build or buy a planter bench that tucks low-growing herbs beneath the seat and backs your cushions with a built-in trellis. Suddenly, a resting spot doubles as scent therapy when thyme brushes your ankles and dwarf jasmine climbs behind.